Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Explainer Videos, Chapter 16, or Function in Excel. The OR function in Excel is a powerful tool used to evaluate multiple conditions simultaneously. In corporate finance, this function becomes essential for analyzing data and making decisions based on various criteria. When you use the OR function, you're essentially checking if at least one of several conditions is true. For example, if you want to assess whether a financial metric meets one of multiple thresholds, the OR function can streamline this process. You simply input the conditions you want to test within the OR function, separated by commas. Excel then returns a true value if any of the conditions are met, or false if none are. This function is particularly useful in financial models and spreadsheets where decision-making relies on various scenarios. By incorporating the OR function, you can create more dynamic and flexible spreadsheets that better accommodate complex financial analyses. This capability ensures that your data evaluation aligns closely with real-world conditions and business requirements, enhancing the accuracy and reliability of your financial insights.